Hey there, everybody. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. Our Market Insider TV closing commentaries. It's Tuesday afternoon, November the 28th. We're going to start first with the stock market. News coming out today that at least Congress has passed their part in a big tax cut. And while it's been anticipated by the market some time, and the reason that we've primarily rallied since August, all this time frame, we shot higher late in the day off of this news. So it does look like that is going to go through, and the market was sharply higher today. And the big reason for the stock market is off of this news. So a lot of times you'll see a buy the rumor, sell the facts sort of situation. We have not seen that take place. We are seeing that this market here wants to move higher, just based off of this news. Now, how does that affect grain livestock markets? Well, if you look at the cattle, we were down most of the day and came back, and you can notice here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. The close was up near the highs of the day on this cattle chart here. This is the close. This right bar to the right is the close. So here we had a lower open, higher close. Here we had a little bit higher opening, sold off hard, but came back late in the day as we kind of followed the stock market higher. Feeder cattle acting pretty much the same way, opening, closing up near the highs of the day. So while we're overbought in this market, no sign that we're going to pull back here anytime soon. I think this market still has some strength in it. We have not completed the retracements that we talked about last night. Cash trade looks stronger to me this week, so we could move up into this range, and the 128 to 129 in February cattle. Hog market here pretty much on fire. We had this bearish reversal day and we negated it, and off we go. We're moving sharply higher on continuation charts, highest levels since November the 3rd in the hog market. Strong cash bids giving us some strength there. Now, we did have some short covering late in the day in the wheat futures as well as corn. Here we hit contract lows. Kansas City wheat making contract lows despite crop conditions dropping 2%. Egypt bought 120,000 Russian wheat. No surprise that we were shut out. And Chicago wheat, same thing. New lows, but rallied back near the close here. As we've been saying, because corn and wheat expecting heavy deliveries, we did expect corn would come down to these lows. Once we get into first notice day, which will be reported as of tomorrow night's close, then we can expect this market to find some sort of a bottom. So right in here is contract low support off of the continuation charts. 48 and 3/4, 349. We came close to it today. The low of the day was 49 and a quarter. I think we come down, test this, and then start to bounce back out of here, but we'll see what happens. If you look at soybean meal, we talked about potential double top. I don't see this as a bearish reversal or anything, just potential double top there in the meal. And in the soybeans, no reversal here, but it's interesting. We came back up, challenged this downtrend line 3 days, and then we sold back off before some short covering at the end of the day kind of propped up this close to only 2-cent lower close in the soybeans. No private export sales, and really not much news other than deliveries. That's a big talking point, and we'll absorb those, I think, Wednesday night into Thursday and go from there. Have a great night, everybody. Good luck, and hope your trading went well. Give any of our offices a call. They'd be glad to assist you. Brian Hoops from Midwest Market.